Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to CarsCorp. I'm your host, Mark, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the 2025 Kia K4 sedan. The automotive industry has witnessed the unveiling of the 2025 Kia K4, a bold and sophisticated sedan that breathes new life into the brand's entry-level offering. Replacing the venerable Kia Forte, the K4 emerges as the most affordable vehicle in the Kia lineup following the discontinuation of the subcompact Rio in 2023. The K4 distinguishes itself with its captivating design, featuring sleek vertical headlights positioned at the corners and a flowing fastback roofline. Its increased size sets it apart from the outgoing Forte, becoming the largest vehicle in its class. The transition to the K3 platform introduces a multi-link suspension system on top trims, while its expanded width matches that of some mid-size sedans. The K4's interior offers ample headroom and enhanced legroom in the second row. It boasts an impressive array of features, including 5 trim levels LX, LX, LXS, GT Line Turbo, and the newly introduced X with its striking slate green interior. A variety of color options are available for the interior and exterior. The center infotainment display has evolved into a massive 12.3-inch screen, while the driver's display measures a generous 12.3 inches as well. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard features, ensuring seamless connectivity. Kia's introduction of an AI voice assistant is a groundbreaking step for the brand. This intelligent assistant responds to natural language queries, eliminating the need for specific keywords. It is designed to remember context, provide local and trip information, and serve as a comprehensive resource for vehicle questions. Base models utilize a 2-liter Atkinson 4-cylinder engine mated to a CVT, delivering 147 horsepower and 132 lb-ft of torque. The 1.6-liter Turbo 4 engine, producing 190 horsepower and 195 lb-ft of torque, remains available for buyers seeking enhanced performance. An 8-speed automatic transmission is paired with the turbocharged engine. Despite its larger size, the K4 maintains impressive fuel economy ratings comparable to its predecessor, the Forte. The K4 continues Kia's tradition of offering exceptional value. Its feature-rich amenities include rotatable cup holders inspired by the Kia EV9, accommodating 32-ounce beverages or providing additional storage space. Multiple USB outlets and an optional wireless charger offer convenience and connectivity. Kia production of the 2025 Kia K4 is scheduled to commence in Mexico, with sales set to begin in the third quarter. Initially, it will be available as a sedan, while a hatchback version is expected to join the lineup later on. The electric EV3 compact crossover is also in development, but its arrival in the US market is anticipated for 2026 and beyond. The K4 represents a significant evolution for Kia's entry-level sedan, offering a compelling blend of style, technology, and affordability. Its spacious interior, impressive features, and competitive pricing will likely make it a strong contender in the compact sedan segment. Subscribe to CarsCorp to stay up to date on the latest news about the upcoming cars and be among the first to experience the aesthetic blend of style and performance.